fluffy cupcake dress. So I'll be measuring my neck 5 inches. I'm marking 5 inches round. 5 inches. 5 inches. 5 inches. 5 inches. 5 inches. Till I exhaust the length of my nails. After which I cut nails out. So I'll go ahead to gather it into my doll face. I got it in 180-degree flare. I'm aligning to a 180-degree flare. So what I'll do is that I'll open it up to the right side and mark where I'll put in the gathers. So this is length 9, and from the lower part I'll mark 3.5 round, 3.5 inches round. As you can see, 3.5 inches round. I'll mark it round. Then from the upper part I'll mark in 1.5 inch. 1.5 inch. And I'll do that round as well. I'm doing this round till I get to the end. Then from this 1.5 inch I'll measure 2 inches. To recap, from the lower part 3.5 inch, marking it round. From the upper part 1.5 inch. Then from the 1.5 inch line I'll mark in 2 inches round. After which I also mark my zip allowance of 1.5 inch. Mark it down so that when I'm attaching the gathers, I'll know that this place is for my zip allowance, and I'll make sure that the net there is not too bulky. For the other side, so I'll mark 1.5 inch for the zip allowance from the top to the bottom. I'll join it as together as one piece so that it's going to be easy for me. It won't be slipping off. So now I'll go into the sewing machine and I'll start gathering. So before I start gathering, I'll leave 1.5 inch zip allowance. So I'll sew straight from here to here. Then after which I'll start gathering. So I'll gather as full as I want the gathers to be. So I gather it as full as I want. I'll take the same machine and gather it this way. Now, so I'm about to gather my net. So I'll do it this way. I'll leave 1.5 inch for zip allowance. 1.5 inch. 1.5 inch. So from here I'll now start my gathers. So I'll gather it as so till I exhaust the net. Gather it as so till I exhaust the net. So after which I'll attach my gathered nets on the marked points. I've attached the first layer of net. So I'll attach the next layer, and I want to show us how I achieved that. So I already left 1.5 inch allowance. So just place it like so. Make sure that where I have joining here is where I'll place it. I'll place it on where I have joined. So I will join across on this line.